Hello everyone. As usual, YouTube has sent us once again a New Year gift. You can see it here. And 2020 is coming to an end, but it has been a horrible year for land engineering. We released just 13 videos in 2020. What I was targeting was at least 24 videos. That means 2 videos every month. It was quite possible. Everything was planned for that. Then this Chinese virus hit hard and all the plan went upside down. And finally we were able to release 13 videos, a huge drop from last year's 19 videos. But somehow we managed to gain around 95 million views in Land Engineering main channel. And if you check the total view counts of all the dubbed videos, it is around 187 million till today in 2020. So view counts are okay, but number of videos we are quite inconsistent. Especially during the lockdown period, I think for continuously 5 months or 4 months, we couldn't release any video. Those were horrible days. And work from home is quite difficult for this kind of video production, 3D animation, etc. Is quite is impossible to convey the animator what is in your mind. Anyway, now things are back to track. We have opened the office. Things are going well, so I hope the year 2021 will be a good year for us. We'll release videos more consistently, maybe more than 25 videos in 2021 is quite possible. And apart from that, as I mentioned earlier, we are planning for product development. So we are developing some physical products as well as software product, where you'll be able to understand many concepts of electrical engineering using a software. It will be quite amazing. Anyway, YouTube was kind enough to send us a New Year gift despite of our horrible performance. Just 13 videos. So thank you YouTube for your kindness. Let's open and see what is inside the box. The surprise gifts. So we have reached the main box, a black cute box. I think the view is clear. Now how to open this? This is quite innovative. I think I should pull from here. See? Can you see it? Nice, cool opening. Oh. This is from my channel manager Akshata. I don't think you can read this. Anyway, Sabin, thank you for all your amazing work. Keep teaching and inspiring all through 2021. Best wishes. Yeah, definitely. So we definitely hope so. The year 2021 will be a revolutionary year for land engineering. And we are also getting into school education with full dedication. So both land engineering and the school channel, I think this year 2021 will be a turning point year. Provided the second wave doesn't happen in India. If once again the coronavirus attack, then again we have to shut down the office and things won't go well as we plan. These are some postcards from Germany, Brazil. Oh, nice. And I don't know who these people are. Even nice. And huge wishes. Okay. I think this is from the YouTube team from different parts of the world. Okay. In fact, the pandemic year was quite good for many other educational YouTube channels because people were completely in home and they were watching YouTube videos. But for us, we couldn't produce any video. That's why we are completely stuck, because our video production won't happen with a single person. It's a teamwork. That was the issue with the land engineering. Anyway, these are the main gifts, dear viewers. Okay, a trouser, cool, colorful one. Another sweatshirt kind of things, good for winter. Cool design. And there are two small boxes here. These are empty. Okay, just to fill the space. Okay. So these are the main gift. Good, right? And a long message. Thank you, Sabin from YouTube. To read this long message, I need another 15 minutes, so I don't want to waste your time. So I will put a photo of this after the video. Maybe we can go through it together. So dear viewers, that's it. I wish you a very prosperous and wonderful New Year 2021. Let's hope that second wave is happening in many parts of the world, but let's hope that second wave will come to an end very soon. And let's pray that second wave won't happen in India, and we can continue the video production and the business as we plan, as we dream. So thank you for watching the video. Keep on supporting us. Bye bye.